This year, we are not going to celebrate at my mom's house. So traditionally, before I move to my new house, oh. So shut up. Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, my name is Ismail and you're watching Chekmael. So right now we are in the month of Ramadan. Alhamdulillah, like any other Muslim, Ramadan is the month that we anticipate the most because it is the holiest month before we celebrate its celebrations on the 1st of Shawwal. It is my most favorite month because I don't have to worry so much about other things. I mean, I do about my job and whatnot. It is the month where we concentrate more on our religious obligations so that we can reap its benefits as much as we can. Also during this Ramadan is where you actually prep. You know, you want to make sure that you are prepared to actually invite guests over. My brother told me that this year, instead of celebrating traditionally at my mom's house, then again, because you know, me and my mom, we were staying together, so obviously they will come to my mom's house and then we will celebrate. This year instead, they are going to come over to my house, even though they are my family, but you know, it's a bit of pressure because I want to make sure that you have like all the things prepared. So what do you do to make sure that you have everything that you need? You go to IKEA. Yes, today's haul is mostly things that you need to actually serve your guests, cutleries and kitchenware and drinkware, you know, things like that. So today I'm going to share with you some of the things that I got from IKEA yesterday. I went yesterday and I'm very good. I actually made a bet to myself. You have to reach there, you have to shop, and you have to pay, and you have to leave in 1 hour's time, which is actually quite good. I spent about 60 each. I spent $62.90. Hey, not bad, huh? And I also learned my lesson. You always bring your IKEA bag whenever you have to go to IKEA. I actually have 2 of these large bags and 2 medium bags because I keep forgetting. So, and then I remembered, I'm so proud of myself. So anyway, so let me just show you what I got from this bag. This is the skull blood. How much is this? This is $2.90, which is very affordable. So I actually am looking for a very good pillow to sleep at night. A good night's sleep is very important, so you want to get like the best pillow, and obviously I go for the cheapest pillow I can find. Don't buy a cheap pillow for sleep. It's not good for your posture and whatnot. I mean, I'm still having like, I'm okay. I actually bought 3 of these because I have this that I want to show you. I actually got this from H&M. So this is H&M Home. There's no H&M Home in Singapore, but they actually stock some of the things when they have like a special event. It looks like this ikat fabric that I think will go so well. I'm actually planning to use it for Raya. My aim is to actually create this kind of black and white theme in my living room, so I'm planning to use this pillow. I actually have another one. This pillow I have, it was given to me. It's the same, it's from H&M, it's a gift. So this pillow measures 50 cm by 50 cm. So IKEA does sell their cushions. They have 50 by 50 cm cushion and it costs about $4.90. But I feel that it's not enough because it's so thin that you need to at least buy 2 of that. So you need like $10 to fit 1 pillow, or you can just go somewhere else and find like a better cushion at like a cheap deal. I decided to use this skullbug pillow as the cushion here. So let me just show you. Instead of getting like another cushion, you just use this pillow. See? Hold it like this, and then you just make sure that everything falls into the bottom part, and then you just fold the cloth, and then you get yourself a cushion cover. See? And then it's only $2.90, and then like you can fill up this cushion of yours. If yours is 50 by 50, that would be great. Your pillow will look very compact and very full. So for 1 cushion, you just need to spend $2.90 for a cushion stuffing. Isn't that great? It's great, okay? I cannot leave IKEA if I don't buy this. When I'm like reaching the end, I always come to this section, and it's the thing that I always have to buy, which is their what is this name? Sinlik candle. So this one will last you for 25. If you light it like the whole day, it will last the whole day. This is like a raspberry. Is it raspberry? And then this is like vanilla ice cream. I have one which is green. Oh, this is my favorite. Green apple. I love citrusy. Amongst these three, this one is the best. This raspberry Sinlik candle. So it's 180 each. So yeah, this is what I got. And then I don't know why, I actually wanted this cutlery set from IKEA. When you go to IKEA, right, so they will stock up all the different cutleries, and most of it is just all silver metal, aluminium kind of, and then there's only one, which is the most stand out one, and it's a black cutlery set. It is so beautiful. I actually got this one instead. This is from Mopsic. And this is terribly cheap. This is $6.90 for a 12-piece set. So you have 4 of each, for spoon, for fork, and for coffee. They will display this, you know, $6.90, and then all the different types of silverware, and then just one of these black ones. Oh my god, this is the one that I want, and it will cost you $89. $89 for the black set. And I'm like you have all this like affordable stuff, and then just one which is bam, $89. I'm like, I think you need to like present it at higher ground, you know, like, hey, I'm expensive, take care of me, you know. But the display set in IKEA, it has scratch and whatnot, so I feel that's what's gonna happen if I actually buy it and if I don't take care of it, right? So I decided not to. Another thing that I decided to get is a 6-piece glass set. It's from Pokal. That sounds delicious. Pokal green tea. I don't have enough of the same glasses when I have more guests to come. Okay, right now, since we're in COVID situation, it's still 8 people that you can invite. So I only have 6 here. So I probably need to get one more. I just like everybody to have the same glass. I remember one time at my mom's house, we had more people come, and then before COVID, and then like we don't have enough glasses that are the same, and I'm like, they were like, it's just good glass. And no, it's not. It's like everybody needs to drink the same amount of water. No, not that. It's aesthetic, you know. I decided to choose this one because, okay, I think I should at least open it and show you. Oh my god, I'm such a terrible haul person thingy. I was actually planning to leave you stranded for not actually opening. I was not planning to open. Why would I do that? Wow, won't it quench your thirst with this glass? There was like obviously 30 million choices, right? The reason that I bought this one is simply because I want to make sure that it's easy to clean. There are more taller ones and a slender one, so my fat hands must be able to reach inside with my soap so that I can actually clean the glass, and they have to look pretty. So this is quite pretty, right? This is like a, what do you call this, hexagonal, is it? Yeah, so yeah, and it's $6.90 for 6, is it? How much is this? So one is about $6 and 2, 3, 3, 6, 6, 3, 6, 1, 3, 3, 6, 9. 30 cents divided by 2, 15. One is $1.15. Mak, worth it, sah. Moving on. I wanted to buy this teapot for tea. Teapot for tea. I think it's about $20, but they don't have it in stock. It's a bummer. This is a serving dish. So since my mom is gonna cook and she's gonna bring all the dishes here, so I need some dishes to actually serve this food, right? So guess how much this is? This is a big dish and a smaller dish, and it's only $14.90. How worth it is IKEA? It's so exciting. This is from apa ni? Likat. Whatever lah. Lawa lah. Okay, the thing I like about it is because it's black. Like I am this black and white kitchen guy, so made in Portugal. Ma, $14.90 made in Portugal. Oh my god, this is the most worth it thing I ever bought. 2 pieces of this is $14.90. How exciting is this? My god, get it guys before it runs. I'm sure it will run out, so better get it. So yeah. Oh my god, that's all that I buy from IKEA. That is not worth it. I always buy more. I realized that I forgot to show you something that I was so excited to buy from IKEA. Is actually this tray. Normally when I have my meals, I will always put it on this plate here. This is also from IKEA. It's a very affordable plate. I think it's about $2-3, I think. So whenever I sit at this table here, to protect the wooden table, I always put my food on this grey tray, but I feel that it's too small, and then when I put it side by side, it's almost similar. I wanted an option where I can actually put more things whenever I have my meal, so I decided to actually get this tray instead. I didn't actually like the pink color, and then I didn't buy it in the first place, and then when I went back again, they didn't have it, and then I kind of wanted it back. So I think it's like inspired by like a citrus fruit. I think it's like a grapefruit or whatnot. So I actually bought two so that I can actually serve all the food here. This is what I actually was kind of excited to tell you, to share with you. So yeah, anyway, so I have another exciting thing to show you. This is from Table Matters. It's a local Singapore brand, I believe. This is like major wrapping house. I can do it. Wow, it's like a designer bag. If Kanye West was to find this, I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna turn it into a bag and I'm gonna sell it for like $3,000 a piece. How did they pack this? It's so strange. This is so annoying. Sabar Ismail, puasa, ya Allah. Finally, I got. Oh. Woo. Faster lah, alamak, bingit. Look, astaghfirullahaladzim, ya Allah. How beautiful is this glass? I feel it's so nice to serve your hot beverages in this glass. One of these costs, how much is this? I think it's $12.90. It's very affordable. And then if you are a first time customer on their website, you get a 15% off. So my bill was $100, and then I save $15, which is like 1 cup free. So I buy 8 of this. So okay, this is one design. This is the second design. I just like how simple it is. Okay, it's just a off-white the English it's an off-white cup with a navy handle. I just like how simple the graphics are. I like it when things are simple. Like, please don't crack your brains and like try to like put like ingenious design. Like, simple is the best to go. And then it has this beige rough texture at the base here, so that is the trademark of this design. And then this one is like a nail, right? So that's this two. This is the next one. It's like I don't know what to call it, but it seems like it's like, I have no idea. It could be a tree, it could be mushroom, I don't know. So the other design is this one. It's just a simple dots like that, and then this one, and then the other two are this and this. Coincidentally, my mom's eatingware set looks like this. I guess it's a standard classic design because it's almost the same color, and then it has these navy lines on it. Maybe that's why I'm attracted to it. So it's almost similar, so I don't have to buy a separate saucer. I already have. I can use it like that. See? Check out Table Matters to get like very nice what do you call this? Okay, the other dishes that I actually got from Table Matters, where I went to their physical store, is actually these two dishes here. Isn't that beautiful? I got this because of the color. I actually like the combination of yellow and blue a lot. I really like this blue sticking out. I put it at my entry table to put my keys and my what is that thing? What is that thing when you put your cards? A card holder. I feel like a lot of the designs is this Asian Peranakan inspired. Because it's black and white, I actually put it in my kitchen and I use it to put my dish soap and my hand wash thingy. So yeah, isn't it beautiful? Like, I have this plain kitchen and then suddenly I have like this small little plate that has all these nice design. So yeah, so I think it's worth the trip to go there. My mom also bought a tote bag, which is not expensive. So yeah. Okay guys, so that's all I have for today's haul video. I hope you guys enjoy the things that I've shared with you. Also, to all my Muslim friends out there, I hope you will reap the benefits of this holiest month and also anticipate the arrival of Eid Mubarak. So until I see you in the next video, Assalamualaikum. Okay, stop.